But buckle up. Welcome to AhTech, where raw power meets precise performance in modern agriculture. From futuristic harvesters to mind-blowing machines, we're diving headfirst into the next era of farming. Stick around till the end. You won't believe what these agri-beasts can do. At Sato Nurseries, over 200 million rooted grafted vines are produced annually, guaranteeing vineyard resilience from the very start. If you enjoy learning farming innovations, remember to like this video and subscribe for more. Each cutting resists disease, adapts to diverse soils, and showcases the most satisfying agriculture technology, providing farmers strong foundations for decades of productive harvests. Then growers start with sturdy cuttings aged 1 to 2 years, each with dormant buds waiting for sunlight. Farmers carefully train vines along trellises, setting the stage for strength and productivity. It's a slow beginning, but vital for long-term vineyard success. On average, vineyards plant 900 vines per acre, with 6 to 10 feet between rows. This layout balances airflow, sunlight, and machinery access. Precision spacing is critical. Too close invites disease, too wide wastes land. Farmers joke it's real estate planning for vines. At the same time, vines demand 1 inch of water weekly during the season, plus regular fertilizer. Meeting these needs ensures balanced growth, healthier foliage, and sweeter fruit. Skipping irrigation at the wrong moment can doom an entire season's harvest. Next, pruning begins immediately, with only 2 buds left in the first year to strengthen roots.
And then the only final steps from here is actually going in and cleaning up the vines.
In spring, farmers remove shoots and excess leaves, channeling nutrients toward stronger canes. This discipline guarantees sturdier vines, higher yields, and healthier grape clusters. As summer arrives, weeds compete for nutrients, so BioExplorer weeders clear 8 hectares daily, protecting soil health. If you find this machine impressive, leave a 1 in the comment section, hit the like button, and subscribe now to receive more information about amazing agriculture technology every day. Meanwhile, ERO Elite Cassava leaf trimmers cut 2,000 shoots per hour, opening canopies for airflow. Around May and June, tiny flowers emerge, soon pollinated into fruit. Farmers laugh that this is vineyard dating season, where science ensures blossoms transform into uniform, healthy grape clusters. Then grapes shift color from green to purple, red, or golden yellow over 2 to 3 months. Farmers use Caffini Booster Rafale sprayers, delivering 1,500 liters per hour across 12 rows. This precision pest control safeguards yields, keeping sugar and acidity perfectly balanced. Unfortunately, rising heat accelerates ripening, boosting sugar while lowering acid, especially harmful for wine grapes. To adapt, vineyards expand north into cooler climates like France and England. Change is risky, yet it opens surprising new regions for premium grape cultivation. For table grapes, picking happens only at full ripeness, preserving natural sweetness. Workers carefully cut clusters by hand, avoiding bruises. Though labor-intensive, this method protects the fruit's flawless look, vital for shoppers demanding perfect grapes in supermarkets across the globe. However, in vast vineyards, hand labor quickly falls behind. At Italy's vineyards, New Holland Broad harvesters thunder across rows, each 9,090-liter model powered by 175 horsepower. Collecting nearly 14 tons of grapes daily, these giants replace hours of hand labor, proving mechanization boosts efficiency while preserving the delicate fruit. While Pellenc Optimum harvesters operate tirelessly, collecting up to 12 tons daily, they deliver precision and efficiency unmatched by manual labor. To support more amazing agriculture technology stories, watch until the end and leave #1 in the comments. Immediately after harvest, grapes enter cooling stations and are hand-selected for size and beauty. Cartons are packed to minimize bruises, ensuring freshness upon arrival. This meticulous process extends shelf life, proving that careful handling is as important as the harvest itself. Meanwhile, Thompson's seedless grapes become raisins, a snack consumed at 1.1 million tons yearly. Traditional sun drying takes 4 to 5 days in ventilated sheds, reducing dust while enhancing flavor. Grapes shrink into chewy gems, offering concentrated sweetness beloved worldwide. Finally, mechanical dryers at 135 degrees Fahrenheit produce raisins in 18 to 24 hours, ensuring uniform color and moisture year-round. Afterward, grapes flow into crushers at Magyar vineyards, where tanks ferment nearly 20,000 liters at once. Wines age in French oak barrels, monitored for oxidation, pH, and aroma profile, ensuring each glass blends science, tradition, and unforgettable craftsmanship. In conclusion, From ancient trellises to modern factories, grapes show how tradition and technology unite. This journey proves farming is innovation at heart. In Southern California's Coachella Valley, farmers climb 30-foot palms to cut heavy clusters of medjool dates. Then each palm yields up to 200 pounds of fruit, packed right in the grove. And sweetness is boxed at the source, ready for markets near and far. And now we descend to Al Karame, the lowest valley on Earth, where Abu Ayash Farms cultivates 2,000 tons of premium medjool dates each year. But the real showstopper? An Italian AI system that sorts 60 dates per second by size, shape, and ripeness. It's not just farming, it's date perfection engineered with futuristic flair. Across the ocean in Queensland, Greensill's John Deere CH570 works side by side with Ace haulouts. And it's a ballet of green giants, ensuring no stalk is left standing. Then each harvester pulls in 80 tons per shift, while tractors haul the cane straight to mills. Inside the mill, bulldozers push 100,000 pounds of cane into giant hoppers. Then conveyors feed crushers, grinding 400,000 pounds per hour, releasing sweet juice into steel tanks. And steam hisses, gears grind, until raw cane becomes golden sugar crystals ready for market. Land preparation is important. Before planting, tractors such as New Holland will plow 20 to 30 centimeters deep and level the soil to loosen it. At the same time, manure and lime are spread evenly to balance the nutrients. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more interesting agriculture technology stories. This careful tillage ensures that the roots can spread and take hold, creating a foundation for healthy cactus growth. Unlike most crops, cactus is not propagated by seeds but vegetative pads. A single pad can generate hundreds of new plants, making it cost-effective and sustainable. This method has been used for centuries in Mexico, where over 300,000 hectares are dedicated to cactus production. Farmers load the selected pads onto trucks and transport them directly to the fields. Once they arrive, the pads are planted at a 60-degree angle, buried 5 to 10 centimeters deep. The planting season begins at the end of April. Each cactus pad is set about 2.5 meters apart. Though a desert plant, spacing ensures airflow, sunlight, and access for future machines to move between rows efficiently. Although part of the cactus family, prickly pear requires regular watering. In fields without drip systems, irrigation happens every 3 weeks. On modern farms in San Luis Potosí, Netafim drip irrigation delivers just 1 to 2 liters per plant weekly, saving up to 60% water. Small farmers often use handheld sprayers to spray mist, cooling the surface without overwatering. Please watch the video till the end and comment 1 below to support AhTech and motivate us to share more wonders in agriculture. Alongside irrigation, weeds are cleared regularly. Organic manure is applied at about 300 kilograms per hectare. And older pads are pruned every 20 to 30 days to encourage healthier growth and boost yields by nearly 25%. By early spring, blossoms appear in vibrant yellow, orange, or red. Bees buzz around the flowers, pollinating them and ensuring a rich harvest. From flowering to fruit maturity takes about 3 months, and each hectare can produce up to 20 tons of fruit annually. When fruits ripen, farmers prepare for harvest. Equipped with gloves, hats, and stainless steel knives, they cut each fruit carefully. Stainless steel prevents oxidation, keeping fruits fresh longer. Each fruit weighs 120 to 180 grams, and even a small scratch lowers its market value. Pads called nopals are also harvested for food and livestock. Workers use sharp knives to cut them close to the base without damaging buds. On large farms, machines with conveyor arms cut and stack pads at speeds of 500 kilograms per hour, ensuring precision and reducing labor strain. But in Zacatecas, industrial farms use the AVOHAY, the world's first cactus harvester. Powered by a 120 horsepower engine, this semi-automatic machine collects 700 to 900 kilograms per hour. Nearly 10 times faster than hand labor, making it a hallmark of the most satisfying agriculture technology. In addition, Cooperativa Producción de Nopal, Mexico, processes 5 tons of cactus pads daily, creating pickled, dehydrated, and jam products under the Nopal Tenochtitlan brand for national distribution. Moreover, in Milpa Alta, Inme Industrializadora converts 3 tons of cactus leaves each day into powders, sauces, and snacks. Training 50 apprentices through sustainable agriculture technology programs. Immediately after harvest, fruits are packed into ventilated crates and transported to factories within 6 hours to avoid dehydration and fermentation. In El Sitio, Pinos, Zacatecas, production, collection, and sweeping of the tuna guarantees a continuous flow of cactus fruits to the facility. At the plant, forklifts unload crates into cool staging areas. Workers polish and sort fruits by size and ripeness. This careful preparation ensures raw desert plants are ready for machine lines that turn them into valuable food and industrial products. In Sancono, Sicily, Azienda Agricola, Randazzo processes nearly 10,000 fichi d'India each day. Fruits are cleaned, polished, and graded for quality, then packed into protective trays before refrigerated trucks transport them fresh across Italy and into European markets. Fruits are washed, despined, and sent to juicers. Each machine processes 400 to 600 kilograms per hour, yielding bright pink-orange juice rich in vitamin C, flavonoids and betalains, antioxidants 3 times stronger than beets. Some juice is bottled as refreshing drinks, exported to the United States and Europe. Others are fermented in steel tanks into cactus wine, carrying the essence of desert soil, hot winds, and late-season rains. Beyond beverages in Tunisia, Société Nopal Zafrana employs advanced cold-press machines powered by 50 horsepower to extract pure cactus seed oil. Each press handles 40 to 50 kilograms of seeds per hour, requiring nearly 30 kilograms for 1 liter. The slow, careful process preserves antioxidants, producing golden oil prized worldwide. Back in Mexico, the chopped cactus pieces are fed into the Mecatral Forraguera, powered by a 90 horsepower motor. This machine processes 1 to 1.5 tons per hour, turning the pads into pellets and nutrient-rich ground feed. The output becomes essential feed for cattle, sheep, and goats, keeping the herd healthy during the dry season when pastures disappear. Meanwhile, California's pomegranate season starts early morning. Each fruit weighs up to 3.5 kilograms, and pickers average 2,000 fruits per day. Fields are cleared in 5-day rotation blocks, ensuring optimal sugar content before being whisked away to processing in under 4 hours. At the packing stage, AI cameras scan every pomegranate, checking size, color, and defects in milliseconds. Automated lines handle 30 fruits per minute, sealing trays with nitrogen flush, extending shelf life by 20% and guaranteeing consistent export quality worldwide. Finally, advanced SRAML lines crush seeds, extracting juice rich in polyphenols. With capacity of 8,000 liters an hour, these systems create POM wonderful bottles seen worldwide. It's the ultimate showcase of efficiency, sustainability, and fruity delight. Agriculture technology at its most satisfying. From fruit processing to fieldwork, we now head to Germany for powerful soil preparation. In Belgium, the De Wolf GK2 IIIE runs on a smart onboard operating system that synchronizes its 200 horsepower engine, sieving belts, and leaf strippers. It pulls 3 rows at once, lifting over 50 tons of carrots daily with precision. The digital control panel lets farmers adjust speed, depth, and cleaning in real time, ensuring every carrot comes out intact, uniform, and market-ready in record time. Next, AhTech plants handle the load. Carrots are washed in bubbling tanks, polished in brushes running 200 RPM, then sorted by weight and size. And automated packers fill 20-kilo bags at 10 tons per hour, ready for supermarkets worldwide. Before the seedlings touch the ground, Taiwanese farmers use a powerful 240 horsepower John Deere 9300 tractor with a rotary tiller. These till the hard soil, level the surface, and mix in the compost. With 12 acres, 4.6 hectares of soil per day, they create the perfect foundation for the future growth of pineapple plants. First, pineapples in Taiwan thrive in sandy, well-drained soils under 65 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit sunshine. Farmers select sturdy shoots from mother plants, planting by hand with precision tools. A skilled worker can place nearly 6,000 seedlings daily, preparing fields for bumper harvests. Then, Taiwanese farmers employ modern planters like the multifunctional pineapple seedling, transplanting machine, and the PMA 1500 Plantadora de Mudas de Abacaxi, both powered by 150 horsepower tractors. These machines guarantee precise spacing, cutting seed waste, boosting yields by 15% per hectare, and blending innovation with tradition for sustainable pineapple farming. Moreover, crop care is no less impressive. Fertilizer sprayers deliver nutrients directly to pineapple leaves, allowing faster absorption. Farmers schedule weekly treatments, raising leaf strength by 20% and reducing disease, ensuring fruit matures evenly across vast plantations. At the same time, drainage channels are maintained to protect against sudden typhoons. By preventing root rot, yields stay stable. After that, patience becomes essential. Pineapples require 13 to 16 months to ripen fully. Fields slowly transform into seas of green spiky crowns. Farmers eagerly await the golden hue, a visual sign each fruit has stored the right sugar balance for harvest. Indeed, each pineapple is a marvel, hundreds of flowers merging into one compact fruit. This natural engineering not only creates visual beauty, but also concentrates sweetness, explaining why Taiwan's golden diamond pineapple fetches premium prices across Asia's export markets. And then, harvest season brings excitement. At dawn, thousands of workers enter the fields with sickles and protective gloves. Each fruit weighing 2 to 3 kilograms is cut and lifted onto conveyors. On a single day, over 200,000 pineapples are collected. Meanwhile, large tractors rated at 200 horsepower drive alongside workers, transporting crates swiftly. This teamwork reduces field-to-factory time to under 2 hours, locking in freshness. In contrast to hand-picking, where 30 workers cut around 200,000 pineapples daily, semi-automated harvesters with conveyor arms handle up to 280,000 fruits with fewer laborers. Machines reduce strain, speed up loading, and cut harvest time by nearly 25%, proving agriculture technology and manpower can complement each other perfectly. After harvest, fruit enters sorting ponds. Those that sink are rejected, while buoyant ones advance. Automated escalators transfer pineapples to cleaning stations. With throughput of 25 tons per hour, this system ensures only the best continue toward packaging lines. Love this high-tech pineapple process? Smash that comment and drop one to show your support. It helps us bring you more amazing agri-tech content. Furthermore, chilled water systems stabilize fruit temperature at 50 degrees Fahrenheit, extending shelf life by 10 days. Workers often laugh that the fruit gets a spay day before traveling worldwide. This process also removes residual soil, leaving pineapples gleaming. Next, in spotless facilities, each pineapple is wrapped and boxed. With output of 10,000 cartons daily, the line guarantees safety and hygiene. This stage is vital before shipping to markets in Japan, Korea, and the United States. Meanwhile, juice plants crush pineapples, evaporating excess water to produce concentrate. With automated systems filling 15,000 bottles hourly, Taiwan's juice exports reach millions annually. Farmers proudly note this is the island's liquid sunshine shipped across the globe. At Delmon plants, pineapples are peeled, cored, and sliced using automated cutters. Each machine powered by 100 horsepower processes nearly 5,000 fruits per hour. The result? Perfectly uniform rings sealed with syrup or juice, ready for global supermarket shelves. At the same time, IQF freezing plants handle 20 tons daily. Pineapples are diced into cubes, frozen instantly, and packed. Nutrients and flavor remain intact. Customers enjoy summer sweetness year-round, even in winter snow, thanks to this chilling technology. Surprisingly, pineapple peels aren't discarded. They're fermented with enzymes to create eco-friendly cleaning solutions. In Vietnam, a plant processes nearly 10 tons of peels daily, reducing waste by 18% while producing natural detergents that replace harsh chemicals in households and farms. Afterward, land preparation improves drastically with Finland's agronic rock tornado. Demanding 100 horsepower, it removes stones nearly 20 inches wide, plowing almost 4 inches deep. Integrated rotors fling rocks aside, making fields safer, faster, and better prepared for planting. In addition, bird control gains futuristic flair with AhTech's autonomic Mark II lasers. Operating around the clock, it cuts bird activity by 70% without noise or nets. Farmers protect crops, safeguard livestock, and reduce losses using fully automated green beams. Then peat collection accelerates using Mary Peat HK 16.5 units with Peat TRL 30F trailers. Each load carries 30 cubic meters through bogs efficiently. Heavy-duty hauling and smooth maneuvering make peat harvesting faster, more cost-effective, and less labor-intensive than ever. Finally, water management is secured by the WaterMaster dredger. Stabilized by airfoil legs, it removes 500 cubic meters per hour with a 250 horsepower system. Clear irrigation channels safeguard crops year-round. As a result, drainage becomes efficient with Merapete OJK 1.3 trenchers. Using screw power, it cuts swampy soils 55% more effectively than traditional tools. Farmers gain cleaner irrigation ditches, save time, and convert muddy ground into farmland suitable for planting. At this point in Germany, the Fendt 1050 Vario, producing 517 horsepower, pulls Lemken Diamant plows. Farmers use it pre-season to prepare deep seed beds, enhancing soil aeration and ensuring stronger crop foundations. Then in the Netherlands, farmers deploy inner drain V plows with 213 horsepower, New Holland T7070 tractors after heavy rains. This most satisfying agriculture technology channels excess water, prevents flooding, and protects roots, boosting yields on wet fields prone to waterlogging. Meanwhile, Canada's largest Zell's air seeder plants seeds across vast prairies. Farmers use it in spring to cover thousands of acres quickly, as its precision metering ensures uniform growth, critical for large-scale grain production. Moreover, in Rostanus, Czech Republic, Case IH Axial Flow 9250 with 625 horsepower and Class Lexion 770 with a 40-foot header dominate corn harvests. At peak season, they process 80 to 100 tons hourly, proving combines are true industrial powerhouses. Meanwhile, in Bavaria, German farmers operate the Vitamin 4080 LPT telehandler. With 136 horsepower and telescopic reach over 26 feet, it lifts hay bales, moves feed, and handles manure. Farmers love its year-round versatility inside barns and open fields. At the same time, in Minnesota, Maleka Dairy employs precision choppers producing corn silage. With cutting speeds of 120 tons per hour, this process creates nutrient-rich feed stored in silos, sustaining cattle herds efficiently through harsh winters. At the same time, across Kansas, farmers use the Vermeer ZR5, a 200-horsepower self-propelled baler. With automation, it creates perfect hay bales at 10 tons per hour, reducing fatigue while securing consistent feed storage for livestock farms year-round. Moreover, in Iowa, U.S. farmers use the John Deere autonomous battery electric tractor for tillage and seeding. With 250 horsepower and advanced AI sensors, it works 24/7 without drivers, cutting labor costs while ensuring sustainable, precise field operations. If you think this tractor is the future, drop a comment with number 1 below. Furthermore, in rural Kentucky, small farms rely on compact square balers. Producing lightweight, easy-to-handle hay bales of 40 to 60 pounds, they're perfect for horse owners. This user-friendly technology proves agriculture adapts from industrial giants to family-scale farming. Likewise, feeding herds is elevated by Pecon's Biga 40. With a 40 cubic meter capacity, it mixes rations precisely. Hydraulic doors release smoothly, while dual-axis design keeps stability. Farmers highlight its efficiency, reliability, and ability to handle livestock nutrition effortlessly. On the other hand, smaller farms rely on the Futtermish Schaufel Mini Mix 2000. Dual augers cut, blend, and distribute feed with pinpoint accuracy. Flexible add-ons like cutting buckets boost versatility, while discharge options with a button keep operations quick and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe to AhTech, and stay tuned for more jaw-dropping agriculture technology in action. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.